Good morning students. Today we are discuss about that nano in a laboratories. Okay, so you see that the nanostructures the made in the laboratory mimic some of the nature's amazing nanostructures. As the nanostructures are small, specialized methods are needed to the manufacture object in this size range. So it's a very small. There are two ways of the preparing the nanomaterials, top down and bottom up approaches. So you see that synthesis of the nanoparticles. So one is a top down approach, another one is a bottom approach. Okay, so now you see that nanomaterials are the top down approach. Nanomaterials are the synthesized by the breaking down bulk solids into the nano sizes. The bulk solid you have to change the nano sizes. Example of ball milling, Zol-Gel and lithography. So bottom up approaches. Nano materials are synthesized by the assembling the atoms molecules together. Selectively atoms are added to the create the structure. Example of the plasma etching and the chemical vapor disposing. Okay, so next you see that synthesis of the nanoparticles, top down approaches and bottom of the approaches. You see this is a bulk model particles. Next the powder. So next these and all is a nanoparticles, clusters and atoms. Okay, so next you see the application of the nanotechnology. So what are the technology we are using in the nano? So you see that optical engineering and the communication, fluxtricals, metallurgy and the materials, defense and security, energy storage, binomical and drug delivery, agriculture and food, cosmetic and paints, biotechnology and textiles. So these and all. Okay, so whatever it is the what are the automotive industries la lightweight constructions, painting, catalyzed tires, sensors, coating for the windscreen and car bodies. So electronic industries like data memory, displays, laser diodes, glass fibers, optical switches, filters, conductive, anti-static coating. So next chemical industries like fillers for the paint systems, coating system based on the nano composite, impregnatation of papers, switchable adhesive, magnetic fluids, construction materials, thermal insulation, flame retardants, surface functionalized building materials for wood, floor, stone, facades, tiles, roof tiles, etc. Facade coating, groove mortar. So engineering lab, wear protection for the tools and mechanics. Next lubricant free bearing, the medicine lab, drug delivery systems, active agents, control medium, medical rapid test, prostheses and the implants, antimicrobial agents, antimicrobial agents and coatings, agents in the cancer therapy. So next you see that robot. This is very important one. Robotic is a very important. It is coming to that exam for the 5 marks or the 2 or 3 marks. So what is the robotic? That material and advantages or disadvantages. This and all coming to that. So you see the robotics. What is the robotics? The robotics is on the integrated study of mechanical engineering, electronic engineering, computer engineering and science. Robot is the mechanical device designed with the electronic circuit and the programmed to the perform the specific task. These automated the machines are highly significant in this robotic era. they can take up the role of the humans in the certain dangerous environment that are the hazardous to the people, like defusing bombs, finding surveyor in the unstable rains, and the exploring mines and shipwrecks. Okay, wow. So this and all. So the robotic co-defender and co-inhabitants, co-explorer, co-workers, these and all having. So intelligent co-robot, human robot inference, you see security, monitoring, inspections, intelligence, transportation, unmanned vehicles, rehabilitations, orthotics, prosthetics, medical surgery, manufacture and automation, micro and nano, manufacturing, automation, macro, logistics and service, these and all. Okay, so next you see a component of the robotic. You see the component, the three main components having. One is a controller, mechanical parts and sensor. The controller, what doing the controller, also known as the brain, which is the run by a computer program. It is give the commands for the moving parts to the perform the job. Mechanical part, motor, pistons, grippers, wheels and gears that make the robot move, grab, turn and lift. Sensor, what doing, you see, the to tell the robot about is the surroundings. It helps to determine the size and shapes of the object around the distance between the object and the direction as well as. Okay, so these and all is three types. It's coming to the 2 mark questions. Okay, so next you see the types of robots. The human robots, the type of the power conservation unit. The robot are powered by the batteries, solar power and hydraulics. Actuator convert the energy in the moments. The majority actuators produce the radiational or inner motion, electrical motors and pneumatic air molecules, muscles, wires and piezo motors and ultrasonic motors, sensor, robot location. So these and all. Okay, it's a parts of the robot, types of the robots. Industrial robot. So industrial robot, you see that 6 main types of the industrial robot. 6 main types of the industrial robot. So Cartesian, Scara, cylindrical, delta, polar, vertically articulated. Okay, wow. So next you see that 6 axis the robots are the ideal for arc welding, spot welding, material handling, machine tending, other application also. Okay, wow. So next you see that a human. The aim artificial intelligence is to bring the human like the behavior in the robot. It works on face recognized, providing the response players, action in computer games, taking decision based on the previous action, to regulate the traffic by the analyzing the density of the traffic on roads, translate words from one language to the other language. Okay, so next you see that applications, robot applications, the outer space, exploring stars, planet, etc., investigation of the mineralogy of the rocks and soils on Mars. And Mars உள்ள அந்த ராக்கை பற்றியும் அதில் உள்ள அந்த சாலிட் அதனுடைய மினரல்ஸ் பற்றியும் நம்ம ரிசர்ச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு we have to use the robot. Analyze of the element found in the rocks and soil also. Okay, so next you see that advantages. So robotic advantages of the robotic and disadvantages of the robotic. Okay, so now you see that the robots are much cheaper than humans. Robots never get tired like humans. It can work for 24/7. Hence the absenteeisms in workplace can be reduced. Robots are more precious and error-free in the performing the task, stronger and faster than humans. Robot can work in the extreme environmental condition, extreme hot or cold, space and or underwater space or underwater in dangerous situation like the bomb detection and bomb detections. So in warfare, robots can save human lives. Robots are significantly used in handling materials in the chemical industries, especially in the nuclear plants, which can lead to health hazards in humans. So next, disadvantages. The robots have no sense of the emotion or conscience. They lack empathy and hence create an emotionless workplace. It ultimately robot would do all the works and human will just sit and monitor them. Health hazards will increase rapidly. Unemployment problems will increase. Robots can perform defined tasks and cannot handle the unexpected situation. The robots are well programmed to do a job, and if a small things goes wrong, it ends up in the big loss to the company. If a robot malfunctions, it takes time to identify the problem, rectify it, and even the program is, if necessary, this process requires a significant time. Human cannot be replaced by the robots in decisions making till the robot reaches the level of the human intelligence. The human in the workplace will exit. Okay, so next you see now. Next you see the physics in the medical diagnose the therapy. So medical line and NFD on the physics we are to using. You see that this is no for exam. First you are know that okay, the X-rays William Conrad Rogerson find outing. So the radiology X-ray imaging. Next one, radio theory of the radioactivities. So radioisotope imaging the nuclear medicine. The bone along find out, any bone broken means we have to find out. Artificial radiotherapy, scintigraphy, echography and sonography, echographics. So this echographies means the pregnant ladies, the baby or the maturance we are seeing that inside that one echography. So next, X-ray computer tomography. So the compute the tomographies. So nuclear magnetic recognized bleach and Edward, the magnetic resonance imaging, MRI na nama brain udeya scan panni paakradhu, right? So this and all. So next, the recent advanced in the medical technology including virtual reality, precious medicine, health wearables, artificial organs, 3D printing, wireless brain sensor, robotics surgery, smart inhalers. So virtual reality, you see the medical virtual reality is here significantly used to stop the brain from the processing pain and the cure seriousness in the hospitalized patients. Virtual reality has the enhanced the surgeries by the use of the 3D models by surgeons to plan operation. It helps in the treatment of the Alzheimer's, memory loss and the mental illness. So precious medicine. So you see the precious medicine. The precious medicine is on the emerging approaches of the disease treatment and the prevention that takes into account in individual variability in genes, genius, environment and the lifestyles for each person. In this medical model, it is possible to customize health care with the medical decisions treatments, practice or products which are tailored to the individual patients. Okay, so next you see that health variables. The health variable is a device used for the tracking various vital sign or the health and fitness related data, location, etc. Medical variables with artificial intelligence and big data provide and added the value of the healthcare with a focus on the diagnosis, treatment, patient monitoring and the preventions. Okay, so next you see that this is more than having that 3D painting, wireless brain sensors, robotic surgery. So nowadays that robotic surgery came, right? Okay, you know that the smart inhaler, the asthma patient you are using to that inhaler, that one the smart. So next you see that other recent development in the physics. Okay, wow. So the particle physics. So particle, how do you are making the molecules, atoms, nucleus, nucleons, this and all composed of the two or the more molecules composed by the atom. Electrons are revolving around the atomic nucleus. So nucleus compounds of protons and neutrons located in the center of on the atoms. Nucleus of protons and neutrons comprising the nucleus of on atoms. So this and all. So next cosmologies. So next quantum information theory. Okay, this and all not having to the your exam portion. Okay, it's not come to the exam, but you know very well this and all. So useful to the physics. Okay children, this lesson, the second volume is finished. So you take care, more give to important for the sixth lesson. Again I am telling, sixth lesson give the importance, is covered to the 20 marks. Please read. Thank you children.